Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting coming to you from the beautiful North Georgia mountains, and I've got a giveaway for you. So once I post this, make sure you're looking at the date to make sure that you're still and that there's still spots available to win. I've got 8 of these card kits, and I've got a video where I made these card kits, or where I made these card sets, and I'll link that down below. Now these are in 2 card sizes. Each one includes 6, everything you need to do, at least 6 cards. And that means that there are 6 envelopes, 6 card bases, and 6 card fronts. Now, there are lots of embellishments in here. I just kind of went crazy with the embellishments. I had lots of embellishments, and I just kept adding to it. So there's going to be embellishments left over. Unless you just go crazy on embellishments, there's going to be embellishments left over for you to do more than 6 cards. Now, looking at the card sizes, this set is an A1 size. So it is 3.5 by 5 inches. And I ended up with a lot of these envelopes. I bought them, I think at Hobby Lobby, like on clearance, for super duper cheap. I think it was like 75–90% off for these envelopes. So I've got white and craft envelopes. And then I had seen where people were using the envelopes from the Dollar Tree. It was a crafting hack. The envelopes from the Dollar Tree. And they are 3.5 by 6. Sorry, these are 3.5 by 5. I'm not sure what I said. They're A1 cards. And these are 3.5 by 6. And I have another video where you can take one piece of cardstock and get a card base for each one of these without a whole lot of waste. And I really like doing that because both of these are kind of odd sizes. But I can and I could get 2 of these. I can't get 2 of these out of one piece of cardstock, but I can get 1 of each of these with less waste. So that was what I did in that video, and I'll link that. So I'll link those 2 videos down below. So let's see what's in here, and I'll kind of go through with how I've got these packaged. So like I said, there are 6 envelopes, there are 6 card fronts, and if you look, these are not just plain white card front or card bases. So these are all different colors. And then card fronts, there's a little extra piece stuck in there. Card fronts, these are big enough to cover the whole front of the card. Now you don't have to, or you could do something crazy like the where you cut it up and then you swap it around. I like to do those. Embellishments, so this one is kind of larger pieces. There's 2 bags here because I could not fit it all in one bag. I've got some puffy stickers. I've got some kind of jewel type embellishments. There's even some ones I stamped and colored, y'all. I'm not a big stamper, but I really went crazy. I had a llama stamp, and so I stamped, colored, and fussy cut those. Notice these little ones. They're just great to add on, little stars and hearts and coordinating colors. Some stickers, like I said, some handmade things, punches, things that did go along with the llama paper pack that I bought too. And then this whole, and there's a lot of washi tape on here. There's 5 different washi tapes. There's quite a bit on here. Most of these did come from the Dollar Tree, but they're like llama, cactus, and just some coordinating colors. So you got 5 of those. So that's one set. And then the other set, and this one I've kind of got packaged, so I'm going to show you how I've done that. So that it doesn't slide around, I used just a piece of scrap cardstock. That's the length of these odd envelopes. Honestly, I think I got these envelopes at the thrift store. Always a great place to find odd envelopes. And then these are very large, so that I can mail things in them if I do swaps and things like that. So that these don't slide around and everything gets stacked on top of each other and too big to go through the mail. I used some glue dots, and I notice I bound my things. So just like this one, I bound my stack. And then I used a glue dot to attach those to that strip, and that will keep them from joining up. Now, also, these 2 bags of embellishment, I did 1 on each stack, again, so that they don't end up stacked up, all bunched up in one end of the envelope. And then you've got your washi tape. So I've got 8 of these sets, and here's what you need to do. So listen carefully. Here's what you need to do if you want these. You need to make sure you like this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and share my video. Okay, share my video. And if you like this video, please go and you know, check out some of my other videos. So I will be picking the first 8 to complete all of that, and I will do that by going through the comments, because that just keeps up with what order they're in. So I'll go through the comments, and the first 8 who have done those 3 things, I will message you, and I may have to tag you on Facebook, or sorry, on YouTube, to get your info, and I will get these mailed out to you. So the first 8, I won't set a time limit on when, you know, when I'll give them away, but the first 8 win. All right, see y'all later.